A lecturer in the department of the ENT on the contract basis in Goa Medical College, filling of one post. The one grant for the ex post facto approval for the extension of the service of the Pramod Badani for 1 year. Okay, then appointment of the 4 number of the retired employee in the department of the printing and stationery on the contract basis for the period of the 6 months on the contract basis. Proposal for the filling of the various posts in the Goa Medical College on the contract basis, initially for the 1 year until the filling of the post of the regular post. All are the teaching faculty post, not rest all, only the teaching faculty post in the Goa Medical College. The Department of the Science and Technology Waste Management, approval of the creation of the various posts in the Goa Waste Management Corporation. Extension of the services of the Gurdas Parab accountant in the NGPDA. Appointment of the MSTC for the e-auction or e-commerce services for the e-auction of the mining leases. This is a government, central government PSU.
कामान घाळपणा करपी सगळ्याच कर्मचाऱ्यांक कंपल्सरी रिटायरमेंटाचे फरमान.
For all. Notification. Actually, it is for all. सगळे ऑफिसात त्याच्या बरोबर सगळे त्याचे ऍक्शन जातले तांकां CRS घेऊन घरा वयचे पडटात.
प्रुडंटा खातीर लौकीक शिलकार.